Let's learn how to embed a YouTube video with Choicely. Go to the YouTube video of your choosing, click on the Share button and select Embed on the pop-up that opens. Another pop-up will appear where you can edit your embed code settings. Finally, click Copy on the bottom right of the pop-up. Then go to Articles and choose the article in which you want to embed the YouTube video, or create a new one. To learn how to create articles, check out the Create Articles tutorial. On the left side menu, choose Web and drag it to the article. In the right menu, with Web element selected, embed your YouTube video by choosing Embed and pasting the YouTube embed code to the box. Don't forget to save your article. You can also add a YouTube video by dragging the video content box to your article and pasting an URL link in the right menu. Now you know how to embed YouTube video to your app with Choicely.